Hi there! Are you looking to level up your health game without spending $500 or $600 on a premium juicer? My family is consciously trying to be healthier this year with better nutrition. So today, I am reviewing a machine that's been making waves lately by offering high-end features at a fraction of the cost. I am very excited because we have never had one of these in our kitchen until now. This is the Canoly 3-in-1 juicer. It's a juicer, a nut milk maker, and a blender. I'm gonna test its juicing power, make some homemade sorbet, and see if it's really as easy to clean as they claim. Right out of the box, this thing feels solid. It weighs about 12.5 pounds, which gives it a steady, premium feel on the counter. The standout feature is the 6-inch extra wide feed chute. Most juicers require you to chop everything into tiny sticks, but this is designed for whole fruits. I don't think I need to explain why that is such a good thing. It's also surprisingly compact at about 17 inches tall, so it actually fits under most standard kitchen cabinets while still having a 90-ounce capacity. Let's talk about power. This juicer uses an AC brushless motor. Just watch how it handles these whole apples. No prep needed whatsoever. The slow masticating speed of 45 RPM preserves the nutrients and prevents oxidation, meaning your juices stay fresh in the fridge for up to 7 days. This is so delicious. And as you saw, all it was carrots, kale, and a whole apple. And it took literally minutes to make. All the pulp is right here. This machine is genuinely incredible. And it's so healthy and good for you and delicious all at the same time. I'm obsessed. Canoly claims a 96% juice yield. And looking at how bone dry this pulp is, I believe it. I will say if you're using fibrous stuff like celery or ginger, it's still a good idea to cut them into smaller pieces to avoid any tangling, even with a motor this strong. Again, this isn't just a juicer, it's a 3-in-1 system. By swapping in the sorbet attachment, you can turn frozen fruit into a creamy, dairy-free treat in seconds. My kids are all about this recipe, so it's such an easy way to get fruit and vegetables in them. This will come in very handy if you have little kids as well. It's never a bad thing to teach them about natural ingredients from a young age. It is so good. The texture is so creamy and smooth. It tastes like it's decadent, but I have no guilt because as you saw, it was just banana and mango. So good, so good. It's such a good treat and completely healthy. And it did all this in like a minute. So easy. You can also make fresh nut milks. Just soak your almonds or cashews, pour them in with some water, and you have preservative-free milk for your coffee. So good. Now let me state the obvious. We all hate cleaning juicers, but this one is relatively painless. All the removable parts are BPA free and top rack dishwasher safe, although I do recommend a quick hand rinse just to keep the plastic clear. And the hinge pulp outlet is a game changer. It lets you clear out the pulp jam without having to dig around with a toothpick. Total cleanup time, about 5 minutes. So is it worth it? In my opinion, it's hard to beat this value. You get a 10-year lifespan, which is insane for this price point. My family and I love it and use it almost every day. To be honest, this device has been so incredible for my health journey I have been on this year, so I am all in. Check the link in the caption. If this helped you decide, hit that like button and subscribe for more kitchen tech reviews coming out soon on this channel. And I will see you on the next one.